Origin and development of human rights. Human rights are inalienable entitlements inherent to all individuals, regardless of nationality, race, gender, or other distinctions. They encompass civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights. The concept of human rights has evolved over centuries, shaped by philosophical thought, political struggles, and legal frameworks. Origin of human rights. The roots of human rights can be traced to ancient civilizations, religious teachings, and philosophical ideas, though the modern concept emerged much later. 1. Ancient civilizations. Code of Hammurabi, circa 1754 BCE. In ancient Babylon, this legal code established principles of justice, such as punishment proportional to the crime, reflecting early notions of fairness. Ancient India. Texts like the Vedas and Dharmashastras emphasized duties, dharma, and justice, while Buddhist principles advocated compassion and equality. Ancient Greece and Rome. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle discussed justice and natural law. The Roman concept of jus gentium, law of nations, recognized certain universal rights for all people. 2. Religious influences. Christianity. The Bible's teachings on human dignity and equality before God influenced later human rights ideas. Islam. The Quran and Hadith emphasize justice, charity, and the dignity of individuals, laying moral foundations for rights. Hinduism and Buddhism. These traditions promoted nonviolence, ahimsa, and respect for all beings, contributing to ethical frameworks. 3. Natural law and enlightenment. Medieval thinkers like Thomas Aquinas developed natural law theories, asserting that certain rights derive from divine or universal principles. The Enlightenment, 17th-18th centuries, was pivotal. Philosophers like John Locke, Rousseau, and Voltaire argued for inherent rights to life, liberty, and property, challenging absolute monarchies and laying the groundwork for modern human rights. Development of human rights. The evolution of human rights progressed through political revolutions, legal documents, and international frameworks, particularly in the modern era. 1. Magna Carta, 1215. Signed in England, the Magna Carta limited the power of the king and guaranteed certain rights, such as due process and protection from arbitrary punishment, for nobles. It is considered an early milestone in constitutional law. 2. English Bill of Rights, 1689. This document established parliamentary supremacy and individual rights, including freedom from cruel punishment and the right to petition, influencing later democratic frameworks. 3. American and French Revolutions, late 18th century. American Declaration of Independence, 1776. It proclaimed the inalienable rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, inspiring global movements. French Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen, 1789, rooted in Enlightenment ideals, it asserted universal rights like equality, liberty, and fraternity, influencing modern human rights charters. 4. Abolition of slavery and labor rights, 19th century. The abolitionist movement led to the end of slavery in many countries, for example, the UK Slavery Abolition Act, 1833, and the US Emancipation Proclamation, 1863. The Industrial Revolution spurred demands for labor rights, resulting in laws protecting workers' rights to fair wages and safe conditions.